Hi there. Here we are with Hannah and her mother Alicia. She had a childhood injury.
When Hannah was 15 months old, she pulled scalding hot water onto her coming down over her area in her hairline that it killed off all the hair follicles. And then Dr. Bolton contacted us, willing to help us with some hair growth for her.
Right along here in this area.
All around the front, she didn't have any hair here. We went through and completely reconstructed her hairline, created nice density behind it to fill this all in nicely, and this looks like her own natural hair. So even if she were to thin out a little bit, this hair is permanent and won't ever thin out, so you'll have that forever.
All right.
So you excited?
Yeah, very excited. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for doing the video.
Thank you.
His mother was cooking and had some boiling water on the
like
stovetop.
make tea with big kettle of water, all the hot water spraying on my face. It was hard. Dr. Bolton said, I can promise you you're gonna have your hair back. 2 weeks later, it turned out to be so good. After 4 months, I had all my hair. I can do anything I want, I mean, any activities. This change, this hope, I've got it from this place. I would definitely recommend PAI and Dr. Bolton.
For his follow-up, he sees me, he grabs me, he picks me up, he's like so happy. I mean, it just makes me feel, you know, you can't beat that feeling.
My video of Raheem. He saw that story and came in. We did the procedure. He came out amazing.
I feel great, more comfortable.
The suture line right there. Beautiful. You were a great patient. That's awesome, man. Barely see the scar. If we had one more procedure on him, you'd never see that.
For me, it was a miracle. I didn't never think that was gonna happen.
I'm so happy for
Yeah,
you.
I am.
And thank you for doing the video.
Thank you. Thank you.